Wow. Welcome back to another video, guys. I hope you are doing great job and you are very fantastic. Okay, as you can see right now, I am in the forest. Okay, I will tell you guys why I am coming here today. So today I am coming here to practice here with the nature. Yes, between the nature. Okay, with the real nature, all the things I will do practice with the real and with the related of real life. So if you are watching my video first time, make sure if you love this kind of content, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's start the video and I will tell you how I am doing to practice. I will show you guys. This is the way where you can go the top of the forest. Okay, and I am going to by this way using top of the forest, but it is too tough, but it is too long actually, so I will not go so far. Right, as you can see in the way there is nothing but stone, only stone. Okay, small and big stone are present in the forest as you are visible in the video. Yeah, as you can see my leg is there actually, and I am using this way, this path, because it is evening time. I think it will make my habit, it will make my exercise body, so that's why I am using this way. What do you think, guys? As you can see, this was tree already cut it. Okay, so if we will do cut every tree like this, then what will do in the future actually, what will happen, right? Our forest will degrade. In this forest there is not too much big tree, but yes, it is few of the trees here, right? Yes, look in the forest actually, there are different kind of flower. You can see very little creature also there is present. So many animals, so many yes, insects are there in the forest actually. This is the very bro, so I have to. Here also you can see, guys, this one tree has cutted and another this one, as you are looking, but there is not too much or not too big tree are here. Okay, this is very interesting things, as you can see.
I don't know what is the exact name. If you know, you can do
Comment. Look, it's amazing. And I will show you from here the visual of the. Okay, yes, you can see the visual of the land and backside. How wonderful, right? Cloud is covered with the very black cloud. Really, you can't believe. Okay, I think about 300 meter I have walked, okay, above, and I got tired. Really, I got tired. I'm feeling very tired. Okay, and way is too long. You can see the way. I have to go this way. It is too high. Let's see what happens. Okay, I'm starting my journey. Yes, this is the plant. How wonderful. It's look how wonderful, right? I don't know this name. The tree of this name is there is a like the gate. It's make like a gate with the yes, uh, yes. Not only plant with the grass type of. Really, I'm getting tired, bro. It is too difficult for me to climb the forest. Yeah. Oh my god. My leg is slip. My leg is slip actually. Flexion doing flexion. Right? Yeah. As you can see, oh, I think yes. Honestly, guys, I will tell you right now, I'm completely feeling very bad, and you can see, and I'm not interested to go outside actually, because because the way is too dangerous, and it is time to very yes. Actually, I'm feeling very lonely. That's why. You can't believe, man. This is the very high actually up way. Oh my god. Really, it is too off. Wow. The forest is, as you can look the dense, how it is dense. Okay. Do you know this leaf, this plant? How it's dense, guy. Can you imagine? Wow. My journey is too long above. I have climbed up approx 4 or 500 meter, okay, and I will show you the visible. You can see the clear visible, okay.
You can see I have a flag in my hand. And right now I am in the mountain. I'm in the way of the mountain. On the mountain, as you can see, my video, our national flag is showing. This is a flag. It is not just a flag. The saffron, it's for the bravery and the whites, victory and trust. And you can see the flag of the green color, which is the hope for the future, hope for the bright future of our India. As you can see here, in the between there is Ashok Chakra, which refers to the unstoppable spirit of our Indians. Right? You can see, yes, and I have to start this journey, and I have to finish my journey. Okay, and I will tell you guys, it will take too much time to reach the top of the mountain. So, watch this video till the end, and I will show you where I am finished my journey. You can't believe and you can't say, because if there is flag in my hand, none can stop you. None can destroy you, and none can disturb you.
Okay, I don't know, but I have to go. I have to go my destination. So unstoppable, as I have already explained in the flag. Yes, I have
already explained in the flag. There is a which is unstoppable spirit of the Indian. Okay, that's why this flag encourages me to clean the forest. Anyhow,
climb up this mountain. I don't know how much time I'm taking. Yes, but I will tell you at the end. Finally, and you can't believe this journey is very difficult for me because there is nothing in my leg. You can see here, man. Can't believe one insect has attack on my hand. You can see there is a fly. Can you imagine? I think here. भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय। ये तिरंगा है लहराते हैं, ये तिरंगा है ये तिरंगा है, ये तिरंगा है, ये हिंदुस्तान है, ये हिंदुस्तान है। हवा की झोंके से फड़फड़ाती है, हवा की झोंकों से फड़फड़ाती है, लहराती है, चलती है, ये दिखाती है साहस दिखने का सफर। प्रगति की राहों पर चलना, चले गए इस वक्त। I have to you can see it is the evening time view of the forest. Okay, my house is that side go to my home. Bye bye.